rank of augmented must be equal to rank of less than n. What is n? How many variables? 3 variables. Many solutions. So we are having two conclusions. Determinant 0, rank of augmented equal to rank of a less than 3. So both we can use. Let us see. What is a along with b? Directly I am writing the coefficient. This is 1, a, 1, 1. Left side coefficients, right side b. 2, 4, z coefficient 1 minus b. This is 3, 1, 2, b plus. This is the augmented matrix. Now, this is the leader. We have to make below zeros. So, R2 minus 2R1 or R3 minus 3R to reduce it to echelon form. So, this is 1, A, 1, 1. This will be 0. R2 minus 2R1, 4 minus 2A. R2 minus 2R1, so 1 minus 2 is minus 1. R2 minus 2R1, so minus B minus 2. You can do roughly if you cannot do directly. R3 minus 3R1, 3 minus 3, 0. R3 minus 3R1, 1 minus 3. R3 minus 3R1, minus 1. R3 minus 3R1. That is B plus 2 minus 3, so B minus 1. This is the lead. This is the lead. Okay. Below that we have to make 0. How to make 0 here? This here we are having this, here we are having this. So I want 0 here. Apply for R3. R3. Here determinant is 0. If we use, we will get a value. That we can use to conclude this easily. So we will use both. Determinant is 0 is given. Determinant is nothing but 1, A1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2. Why determinant is 0? This A is, det A is this. This is equivalent to this. This is A. This is B. Determinant of A is 0. So from here, you can find out the determinant, equate it to 0. So this is equivalent to this. Determinant of A is 0, we know. So try to use this to find the determinant. It is easy to find the determinant using this because AD minus BC plus minus plus. So apply this. Determinant of A is 0. So what will be the determinant? This will be equal to this minus this. That is 4 minus 2A AD minus BC. So I'm using this rank concept as well as determinant. So 4 minus 2A into minus 1 plus 1 minus 3A is 0, which implies minus 4 plus 2A plus 1 minus 3A is 0. So minus 3 minus A is 0. So your A is minus 3. So why we have to proceed further? To get B value, we need to proceed. So this is A along with B, ma. This is A. You know that because of operations like R2 minus 2R1, R3 minus 3R1, determinant remains the same. So determinant of this A is same as determinant of the equivalent matrix. So properties of determinants. How to find determinant of A? You need not expand this. Already we have reduced it to echelon form. Use this to find the determinant. So det A is 0. Easy to find from here. So I have expanded. I got A. Now I will substitute here. If A is this, then what will be this? 1 minus 3, 1, 1. 0, A is minus. This is 6, 6 plus 4 becomes 10, minus 1. This is minus B minus 2. Here, 0, A is minus 3. So it will be 9. This will be minus 1. This is B minus. Correct? A equal to -3. So it becomes
10,
10.
ma'am.
Correct? No? Any doubt? Any mistake anywhere? No, no?
9 plus 10, ma'am.
Where? Here. Here? A equal to -3,
Yes,
10.
ma'am.
10. Yeah, 10. Correct. So now, this is leader. Below that, we have to make 0. Easy to make 0. So, our problem got simplified after finding A value. If you find rank for this, it becomes very, very complicated. So, be smart. 0, 0, 0. Subtract. P minus 1. Minus into minus plus plus. So, it will become 2B plus R3 minus R. P plus B 2B minus 1 plus 2. That is minus. Now we want, this is A, this is B. So we want rank of augmented to be equal to rank of. So when are you going to get rank of augmented equal to rank of A? If this B is not 0, then rank of augmented becomes 3. This is non-zero row. This will become rank of A is 2. It becomes no solution case if it is not 0. So the rank of A is 2. So this also must be 2. When is it going to be 2? Only when this is 0. So 2B plus 1 is equal to 0. Then B equal to minus 1 by 2. Then rank of augmented becomes equal to rank of A. You can see minus B minus 2. 0, 0, 0. This 2B plus 1 is 0. B is equal to minus 2. This becomes C. Here B you can substitute later. B is minus 1. Now you are getting rank of augmented equal to rank of A. Rank of augmented equal to rank of A. You can see augmented rank 2, rank of A is 2. Therefore, rank of augmented will be equal to rank of A only when 2B plus 1 is not 0, equal to 0. That is B is equal to minus. So you know A, you know B. What is the value you want? 2A plus, they are asked to find 2A plus 8B. So A is minus 3, B is minus. This is 2A plus 8B. 2 into minus 3, 8 into minus 1. Minus 6, minus. So what did we do? Many solutions is given. So when is system going to have many solutions? When determinant is many solution means determinant is 0. One hint. No solution also means determinant 0. You can use it for both the cases. So using that, we can get A value. But don't do it directly. We do directly, more number of steps it takes to find determinant. So keep it aside. Then we want B value also. So we have to go for rank concept as well as for determinant. So when both you have to use, better to go for augmented matrix. So here we have reduced to echelon form. Not even echelon form, second step. So in this second step, from here we wish to conclude using determinant because it is easy to find determinant using this rather than this. So we have found the determinant. We got A equal to minus 3. We substituted back. Then we reduced it to echelon form. Then second case, when is many solution case, rank of augmented must be equal to rank of A. So this must be 0. Remember, by looking at this, you can conclude. You need not do all these things. By your experience, you can see if this is not 0, it will become no solution case. Then when are you going to get many solution? Because rank of A is 2. This also must be 2. Augmented also must be 2. So this must be 0. So 2B plus 1 is 0. B equal to minus 1 by 2. You need not substitute and check. By your experience, from here itself, we can conclude. 2b plus 1 must be 0. Then only rank of augmented becomes equal to rank of A. So A is equal to -3, B is equal to -1/2. This is the answer. Suppose same question is given. Suppose system has no solution. Then 2A plus B value is. Then 2B plus 1 should not be 0. That is, B should not be equal to -1/2. So A is equal to -3 and B not equal to -1/2. Then the system will have no solution. For many solution, this must be 0. Okay. This is the computation. ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందమ్మా? ఎనీ డౌట్స్? చెప్పండి. ఓకే.
To find the value of A without finding the determinant of the matrix.
Find the value of A without finding determinant.
Determinant of the matrix. Yes.
Without finding determinant. అది కష్టం అవుతుందమ్మా. ఎందుకంటే దీన్ని చెయ్యొచ్చు. ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఇంపాసిబుల్. R2 - 3R1 చేయాలంటే, దీన్ని 0 చేయాలంటే ఎంత కష్టం. ఏం చేయాలి? You have to multiply this with 4 - 2A. Third row you have to multiply with 4 - 2A. This row you have to multiply with 1 - 3A and then subtract. So it becomes very complicated. So to avoid that complication, we have to use determinant as well as this, both. So that you can find easily. You can get that becomes essay question. But it is MCQ.
I think I have one idea. I think it will work.
ఏం చెప్పండి మీ ఐడియా?
If you do R3 minus R1, R3 minus R2, in the third row, first element already 0, third element already 0. Determinant of the matrix is 0, then 1 minus 3A equal to 0. And second position also is equal to 0.
1 minus 3A equal to 0 means A will be equal to, then you subtract and see if you can get. Very good. If you subtract and see if you are getting it, okay, you can. But here also you have to. You are not doing then echelon form. Echelon form you are not doing. Just simply you are subtracting R3 minus R2. Luckily here you are concluding. Is it not? Cases. But in all the cases it may not work. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అడగచ్చు, ఎందుకు ఇట్లా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు R2 - R1. మన రూల్ ఏంటి? రెడ్యూస్ ఇట్ ఎకిలాన్ ఫామ్. ఎకిలాన్ ఫామ్ అంటే ఏంటి? యూ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ హియర్ 0. సో యువర్ ట్రిక్ మే వర్క్ హియర్, బట్ ఇట్ మే నాట్ వర్క్ ఇన్ ఆల్ కేసెస్. ఓకే, గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్, ఏం డౌట్ ఉందమ్మా? ఎనీబడి హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ డౌట్ ఇన్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ డన్?
No, ma'am.
No. So I'll go to this question. I think you can try this question. Chestara idi. I will give this question. This is not visible. I'll give this question to you. I'll give you hint. Please try this. Note down this question. So I'll expand this. Not visible. No, I think it is visible. I think it's visible now.
Yes.
All of you, yeah. Same model. 4 alpha plus 3 beta. Alpha is on left side, beta is on right side. Please try this question. Same model. You're not getting, I'll work out in next class. Same model exactly. And that I think who spoke earlier, I don't know that person. You try his trick by chance if it's working. Otherwise, you follow how we have done exactly. You have any other trick you follow, somehow get the answer. Okay, check this. Next. So with this, we can conclude homogeneous system we have completed. Non-homogeneous system also we have completed. With least working,